I'm going to be as blunt as I can. Insurance companies are not on your side, and they're not your good neighbor. And the reasons are several, okay? And listen, insurance companies are major corporations, and they have shareholders that they have to account to. And so so they are in a business to make as much profit as they can. So the less claims they pay, the more money they make, the more profit they make. I mean, it's that simple. So when you have a claim against an insurance company, they're looking to pay the least amount of money as they can, or not pay at all and just deny it. You'd be surprised how many claims get denied and have no basis to be denied, but they deny them because they know that the insured is maybe not knowledgeable or will just let it go.
What are some of the tactics that they'll use to potentially get out of those claims if they have them?
Well, depending on the type of claim it is, if it's an injury claim, they may say, well, I don't think my insured caused the accident. We think that there is a third party out there, some phantom vehicle that caused him to swerve into your client. So it's not really his fault. It's the phantom vehicles. Okay? That's one way. If it's a property damage claim, they may try to deny it based on the fact that, oh, well, your damage doesn't exceed the deductible. Okay? And so we don't have to pay anything. If you got a $10,000 deductible, they'll come in and say, well, we've looked at your damages and we don't think they rise over $10,000, which means we don't have to pay anything. You're going to have to pay it out of your pocket. And that's why it's important to get a lawyer involved, especially in property damage claims and in any claim. I mean, injury claims as well, but in property damage claims, we have experts that can come out to the scene and look over the damage, and they will find things that should have been found by the insurance company that, then may get it over the deductible and have them get fully compensated.
Do you find that people think insurance companies are out to help them?
They do, because of the media and the commercials that they put out. They're all there to make you feel good, like you're in good hands, that you've got a partner in the claim, that they're going to help you out. And, we've said this before, they're never, especially when it comes to injury claims, they'll talk about how they'll put you in a rental car or they'll take care of your car damage. They never talk about how they'll pay you for your injuries when you're involved in an accident. And so, because those are the big claims, they don't want any part of that. They wanted those things to go away. They want those claims to just kind of disappear, so they don't talk about it, But, they are there to pay the least amount of money no matter what. And they're trained that way. And their employees are trained that way. And we're the lawyers who make sure that they pay the right amount. And we don't want more than what our clients deserve. Believe me, the law is not designed that way. The law is not designed to be like a lottery. It's not a lotto. Okay, it's pay me what brings me back to where I was just before the incident occurred. Nothing more, nothing less. And that's how the law is designed.